ASUS VIVOBOOK Flip 14. VIVOBOOK Flip 14 TP470EA C138T. ASUS VIVOBOOK Flip 14 is back, with a bold new look to get your pulse racing. This is a convertible laptop that's full of personality, sporting a sleek indie black or transparent silver finish and a color-blocked Enter key with yellow edges and text. Ready for performance. VIVOBOOK Flip 14 is powered by up to an Intel Core i5 processor with first Intel discrete graphics, 8GB memory and a 512GB PCIe SSD. A sturdy 360 degrees hinge holds the display firmly at any angle, giving you the flexibility to use VIVOBOOK Flip 14 as a traditional laptop, a tablet, or anything in between. Intel Core i5-1135 G7 processor. Graphics Intel Iris Xe graphics, Intel Iris X Max, 4GB LPDDR4X. Memory 8GB LPDDR4X on board, memory max up to 8GB storage 512GB M2 NVMe PCIe 3.0 SSD. 1x USB 2.0 Type A 1x USB 3.2 General 2 Type A 1x Thunderbolt 4 supports display, power delivery 1x HDMI 1.4 1x3.5mm combo audio jack 1x DC in micro SD card reader. The standard laptop chiclet-style keyboard is responsive with good key travel. Camera 720p HD camera. Display 14.0-inch, FHD, 1920x1080, 16:9 aspect ratio, IPS level panel, LED backlit, 250 nits, 45% NTSC color gamut for nano LED, glossy display, touch screen, with stylus support, screen-to-body ratio, 82%. Creativity at your fingertips. ASUS Pen SA200H. Power supply 04.0, 65W AC adapter, output, 19 volts DC, 3.42A, 65W, input, 100 to 240 VAC 50/60ths of a Hertz universal. Stylus pen holder. Stickers. Stick it to 'em. It's not just the color-blocking design that makes a fashion statement. VIVOBOOK Flip 14 comes with a set of unique stickers to make your VIVOBOOK uniquely yours. The time for personalization is now. "360° hinge built to last to ensure ultimate durability." The precision-engineered steepless 360° metal hinge of VIVOBOOK Flip 14 passed a 20,000 cycle open and close test. You can rest assured that your VIVOBOOK Flip 14 will be ready for any mode, anytime, for years to come. The thin bezel nano edge display provides incredibly immersive viewing experiences, allowing a 14-inch panel to fit into a 13-inch class chassis. As a result, VIVOBOOK Flip 14 offers more compact dimensions with an impressive screen-to-body ratio. VIVOBOOK Flip 14 keeps you productive and entertained on the go. With an overall weight of just 1.5 kilograms and an ultra-thin profile, VivoBook Flip 14 easily slips into a backpack, so it's always travel-ready. Aerodynamic iceblade for accelerated cooling. Each model in the new VivoBook series provides exceptional heat dissipation via an upgraded 8mm heat pipe and a new iceblade fan that efficiently accelerates heat transfer. The 87-blade iceblade fan and impeller are made of a liquid crystal polymer that allows them to be lighter and thinner than ordinary fans. Each iceblade fan blade has a 3D curved aerodynamic design. VivoBook Flip 14 is designed for the ultimate touch experience, with a touch display that detects even the subtlest fingertip movements. ASUS Pen support allows you to let your creativity flow with a natural responsive feel. The bundled pen holder simply sticks onto the VivoBook Flip 14. Wi-Fi 6. Stay connected. Set up your office wherever you want, at home, in a cafe, or at the airport. Integrated Intel Wi-Fi 6, 802.11ax, delivers super-fast networking speeds for faster large file transfers, responsive online gaming, and super smooth video chats.